How to fix Instagram? Your account has been temporarily locked. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is wait for Instagram to respond. They usually reply in 24 to 72 hours, but it may take longer depending on volume of appeals. Be patient and don't spam appeals. Next thing you want to do is reset your password. Head over to the login page, click on the option Forgot Password. Now here provide your email address or username linked with your account, click Continue, and recover your password. This might fix your issue. If this solution didn't work out for you, close this and navigate to the official website of Instagram, help.instagram.com. Now in the search box, type in I can't log in. Now I can go through this article. Likewise, click on this option, visit this page. Now you'll need to identify your account. So go ahead and provide your email, phone, or the username. Just follow the on screen instructions and go through the process. With this, you might be able to gain access to your account. So, at the moment, these are some solutions to fix your temporarily blocked account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.